Hi, here is how you can create a Deriv demo and real account for Forex trading, synthetics, and more. Alright, so first things first, you need to hit the link in the description of this video where it says create a Deriv account. The link is onlineforextradingschool.com/Deriv. Once you hit that link, it will take you to this homepage where it says create free demo account. So you have to come here. The interface may be slightly different from a mobile interface since I'm using a laptop, but just look where it says create a free demo account. You click create a free demo account. Here it says enter email. You have to enter your email address here. So let's say my email address is this one. Then you come and click create demo account. You can as well create an account using what is known as social login, which is your Google account, your Facebook, or your Apple ID. Right. Whichever way you proceed to create demo account. So an email has been sent to this email of mine with a link to activate the account. So I should head over to my Gmail account. Then I head over to this account of mine. All right, there we are. Here is the email from Deriv, which is saying you have to verify your email. So you can either click this button or you can copy this to your browser. So I prefer copying this to my browser, but you can just hit here. All right, I come and paste it to my browser, then I hit enter. Right, it redirects me here which says choose the country where you live. So you're gonna choose the respective country. Let's say I'm in Zimbabwe. I'm gonna choose Zimbabwe. I click next. Are you a citizen? Let's say yes. Then here you enter your password. Okay. Let's say here I enter my password. Right. Then here it says start trading. Okay, here you can choose an option to update your password or you can leave it as it is. All right, once you have done like this, you're done signing up for your Deriv account. Then it says, where would you like to start? It gives you options for CFDs, multipliers, options. So here, if you want to trade Forex, indices and others, you have to choose CFDs. Okay, there we are. Then it says add real account. Then here there's real, here there's demo. So you're gonna you can just click add real account, then it says add Deriv real account. So here you choose your currency. If you want to use USD as the fiat currency, if you want to use Euro, Pound, or Australian dollar, or if you want to go with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tether, USD coin, or Tether ERC20. So I advise you to make use of USD. It's easy to work with. Then you click next. Here you enter your name, here your surname, here you enter your date of birth as it is. So you see it's okay. Here you enter your date of birth. Let's say that's my date of birth. Okay, here you enter your phone number as it is. Let me enter my phone number here. Then here you enter your address. Here you enter your town. Here you enter your province. Then here your code or your zip code. If you happen to be stuck with the zip code, you can Google your country, then zip code. All right, the name of your country, then zip code. But for Zimbabwe, it's 00263. You click next. Here you select the type of document, if it's national ID or so. All right, so this is a symbol of a Zimbabwean national ID. Okay, so here you have to enter your ID number. Okay, so let's say this is my ID number. This is a symbol of an ID number. Okay, then here you click next. So if you're a politically exposed person, like someone who is into politics, you may not click here. But if you are not, you click here. I'm not a politically exposed person for the last 12 months. Then here you click agree to terms and conditions. Then you click add account. Okay. Once you've done so, then your account is ready. It may give you the option to deposit, or you may say maybe later. Okay, so now you have your real account. Then for the purposes of practicing, you have to come here which says Deriv demo. But here if you see this option, it's now showing you how much is in your Deriv real account. Okay, but this is your main wallet, your USD wallet. All right, so if you want to trade on what we call MetaTrader, you have to add a Deriv financial and a derived account. For the financials is for the Forex, then the derived is for the synthesis, your boom, your crash, your step index and others. So you can click add financial here. Then you can come and pick your jurisdiction. Right, for better spreads, you can even choose British Virgin Islands. You click next. Then here it says you have to submit your proof of identity and address. You choose your proof of identity. You can click here to upload it from phone, or you can upload from your recent documents from your laptop. You proceed with this process, then you verify and you're good to go. You have your sorry. Okay, so you have your real account showing here. Then you can click add for the synthetics. Then here you can choose whichever option here. It will pop you up an option to enter a password. You can just create an password. Then you click create Deriv account. Click maybe later. Then here, if you come here and click this side, you see that you have this Deriv SVG account with your account number. Okay, so here if you want to top up, which is to deposit, you can click top up. If you want to trade, if you click here, it will take you to the web MetaTrader application. All right, but for the purposes of demonstrations, you can even come here and click a demo account for the derived or for the financials, your Forex, your stocks, your commodities. Here you can trade what are known as CFDs. So you can come and click. So you have to enter the same password, then you click add account, and it's done. And here you can even see you now have your Deriv demo account with 10,000 USD that you can use for your practices. Here you have an account without money, so you can go ahead and you can click top up to top up your account. All right, so basically that's it. If you want to start trading, that's how you can go about creating your Deriv account. Once you get stuck, you can just come on the live chat here, then you can start a chat, then you can get help from the Deriv chatbot. Or if you happen not to understand how you're getting assistance, you can just type something like live help or live chat. Okay, then you can click talk to support. Then as you can see here, you are now being transferred to the support team. Then here you can get assistance from this guy. So anyone, you can be assigned to anyone here. So you can just ask anything. Right. In real time, you get assistance. So sometimes the Deriv guys will not be in touch if they are weekends. So make sure you're getting assistance between Monday and Friday, any time of the day. Okay. So here we can wait while we get assistance. That's how you get to create your account. Then over here you have options whereby you can deposit using any of these methods. Right. So here they're assisting me. Right. You can deposit via any of these methods, or you can withdraw via the same way as well. Then you can as well deposit via payment agents. So these are the list of payment agents that you can contact to get assistance with. Okay, then here you can transfer from your main wallet to your Deriv account. I'll do a video on that, and here you can do Deriv peer-to-peer. I've even done a video on how you can um, um, fund your account or withdraw using Deriv peer-to-peer. All right, guys, I'm closing this chat since I don't really want to to get help. Okay, but this is how you go about it when it comes to creating a Deriv real and a Deriv demo account. Up next, I'll do a video on how to connect your Deriv account, your Deriv demo account to your Deriv MetaTrader account. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Goodbye for now.